how to send auto Slack alert in n8n step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can automate Slack alert using n8n, whether it is daily reminder, an error of notification, or an update from another app. So let's get started. First thing first, what you need to do is you have to create a new workflow. And if you haven't created any account on n8n, just go into description and click on the link given below and you will get 15 days free trial if you're a new user. So after creating an account, you have to create a new workflow, and from there you have to add a new node, which is Slack node. First, we will connect Slack with the n8n and then we will perform a simple demonstration. Now I'm using webhook over here, as you can see here. But if you want to check, you can use different apps like different CRMs, 4 CRMs, and there are a lot of CRMs available. You can do that. Now I'm using webhook. Now let's get started. What I'm going to do, I will just simply click on this add plus icon and then search for Slack node and click on the Slack node. And from there you will get 42 actions and 8 triggers. So we are not going to go with the triggers because we are sending the alert message. So I'm going to in action, and from there you have to choose a message action where we will send a message. So simply click on the send message option, and from there you will look like this. Let me just delete this one and let's get back. Okay. Something will look like in front of you. Just simply click on this credential to connect with and click on this create new credential. So in order to connect your Slack in n8n, you have to have access token and signature secret. But if you want to do with the OAuth 2, you need to have a client ID and client secret. I will show you both methods to connect your Slack with n8n. So first we will go with the access token. So in order to connect it, just simply click on this open docs option. Click on it and it will take you to this n8n docs. And from here, you will get a link of Slack API documentation. If you scroll down enough in access token section, you will find this Slack API app. Just simply click on this link. You will be redirected to this apislack.com apps where you can create a new app, and basically you can create get APIs for your Slack. Now from here, you have to click on this create new app, and from here you have to select the from scratch, and then you have to give a name to your app. For example, I will give test2 because I have already created a test1 app. And then from here you have to choose your workspace. So make sure you have created a workspace in your Slack, and then after choosing your workspace, just simply click on this create app button. So it will create this app, and we are at basic information. From here, you will get client ID and client secret for the OAuth connection. Now, what we are going to do is just simply get back, and we need access token and signature secret. Now, let me get back to my app. We get the sign in secret. Just simply click on this show. And then from here, okay, this is a sign in a secret, not signature secret. So what you need to do in order to just simply go to OAuth and permissions from the left side, and from here you have this add new redirect URL. Now if you're going with the OAuth 2, you will find this auth redirect URL. Just simply copy this and paste into this redirect URL section. So let me just add this. Okay. Please use HTTPS for the security. So what I'm going to do, I will just add S and then I will remove it and click on the save button. Just add. As you can see, I have added this HTTP redirect URL. And if you scroll down a little bit, you will find the scope section where you have to add the bot token scopes. Now just simply click on this add scopes, and you have to add scopes over here. Scope means you have to give a permission for this API. Click on this add scope, and I will add everything over here. So if you want to add some specific scope, just get back to your n8n document And if you scroll down a little bit, you will find this a page where you will get all the information which scope you have to enter, which is not. As you can see, channel read, channel write, chat write. You have to give all these scopes to perform good. Now get back to our Intense Slack app. I will just add call writing. Let me just add this. So I guess I have added enough scope over here. Just simply click on this. Again, you have to say click on the save URL. And if you scroll up again, you will find this OAuth token. Just simply click on this install to maker private. This is your workspace. You have to install this bot into your workspace. Now you have to allow all of this, and it will take you to your workspace after allowing. Now, as you can see, we got our bot user auth token. Just simply copy this and get back to your access token and paste over here. Now we need signature secret. Let's get back to our app, go back to our basic information. And from, if you scroll down, you will find this sign in secret. Let me just copy. I guess this is a signature secret. Name is a little bit different. Now simply click on the save button. As you can see, it is testing. As you can see, we have successfully connected our Slack with n8n. So now let me just click on this send message to channel. And from here, you will get all of the channel which you have created in your workspace. Hold a minute. Okay. We could not load any list over here because credential is missing required OAuth at scope. So let me get back and add that scope which is required. Generate token scope. Okay, you have to go to OAuth and permissions. Okay, so I have checked everything. I have added all of the scope which has given in n8n docs. So let's get back, and before that, as you can see, it will still say that your Slack credential is missing. Now what you need to do next is you have to open your workspace, as you can see here. Now from here, you have to invite your bot which you have created in your Slack app. So just get back and click on this copy. Okay, I guess you have to reinstall if you have changed the scope. Now I will not do that. I will just simply go to my workspace and add the rate, and then I will choose my bot which I have created and click on the send. Now it will tell you mentioned test2, but they are not in the channel. Just simply click on this add them, and we have successfully added this bot. Now let's get back and let's see if it works or not. Click on the save, click on the restart your workflow. Now, instead of selecting from the list, what I'm going to do is just simply get back to my workspace and copy this channel name where I have to just simply send a notification or notification alert. I'll copy the channel name and paste over here. Now from here, you can select the message type. Either it can be attachments, or it is simple text message. So I will choose simple text message. And from the webhook, from the left side, you will see the input from the output from the webhook. I will just drag that message, which is kind of like you can say alert message, and I will just drag into my message text. When I execute this step, it will send that message to my Slack channel. As you can see here, hello from n8n automation. This worked perfectly. So if you want to check, let me just give you different examples. So I have this created this mock data for webhook. Just simply let me just unpin, and then let's refresh this and click on the save. And again, we will execute this step. So as you can see, it will execute. Coffee machine needs refill, productivity at risk. So you can connect any kind of CRM with this Slack send message, and whatever will happen, it will send automatic message to your Slack. So if you want full workflow of that, for example, you want a CRM workflow where you will get a notification alert if someone added error or bug into your project, you can just simply send the message into your Slack. So just comment it down below. I will give that workflow to you. So if you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.